Hi everyone, I am Sandeep Ranjan, and in this tutorial video, today you are going to learn how to get free software for Autodesk Fusion 360, which you can use for your learning purpose. So first of all, we have to go to Google and you have to just type over there Fusion 360 for educational use. You will get these type of answers. You have to click on Fusion 360 free software for students and educator. So once you will click on this, then it will redirect you to the website of Autodesk and you have to just scroll it down and you have to click on get Fusion 360. So after clicking, it will again redirect you to another page where you will find the software. List of softwares will be available. You can select with your requirement. Like you can see over here, it is saying unlock educational access to Autodesk products. So for that, we have here list of softwares and first row, second one is Fusion 360. So now what we have to do, we have to click over here, get started. So as we will click over here on get started, this page will ask you to sign in. So first of all, if you are a new user, you can create your account. Once your account is ready, then you can sign in. So you have to just log in and you have to provide your password. So I will just type my password over here and once it is done, then we will click on sign in. It will take you to your profile home page where you can see your all the softwares and you can download it accordingly. So now you can see over here, it is mentioned over here education, and you have to wait for some time. It will take a few seconds to upload all the software details over here. So you can see over here Fusion 360 is available. So now I have to just click on get product. So as I will click over here on get product, as you can see, like it is completely available for Windows as well as Mac. So click on get product and it will directly, if suppose you have done your all the verification and all, then after sign in, like I haven't signed in over there, if I will click over here on access, it will take me to the another page where I will download it, but that will be for just the trial version. Okay, so for full version you have to just come to this particular site and you have to sign into your account. As you will sign in, it will take you to the website. If suppose you are getting some error like password is not correct, then if suppose you forgot the password, you can click on forgot password. I will just type my password over here and I will click on sign in. So as I will sign in, it will take me to the page where softwares will be available. So once you will sign into your account, then after verification, you have to upload your ID. Like if suppose you are in some university college, you can upload your ID card and you will get free access. And after that, you have to just come below, scroll it down and then click on get product. As you will click on get product, you will find here option like access. So you have to just click on access and then your software will be downloaded accordingly, and then you have to just install the software and then run it accordingly. You can keep learning, you can keep practicing. All right, so this was the process like how to get the software Autodesk Fusion 360. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.